How to fix Xbox app not detecting gaming services. 1. Run Windows Store apps troubleshooter. 2. Reset the Xbox app. 3. Make modifications in the registry editor. Details. 3.1. Delete all the keys at hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/services/gaming services. 3.2 Clear items. At hkey_local_machine/services/gaming services net. 3.2 Restart your device. 4. Reinstall gaming services. To do so, run these commands as admin. Get apps package Microsoft.gaming services, remove apps package alloser start ms Windows Store //pdp/producted equals 9 mwpm2 cqnlhn now. Restart your device.